Hey, Jerry Monty here, coming at you from the Forex and Binary Virgin channel and the Forex and Binary Virgin newsletter. Yeah, just wanted to say a few things about the differences between binary options and Forex, and why I'm predominantly using binary options, but I'm um, also trading in Forex as well. Look, there's pros and cons obviously with binary options and also with Forex. Basically, you know the main I suppose one of the main differences between binary options and Forex is binary options is there's a fixed return. So the broker tells you, there's a 70% return or 80% return. Most of the time, most of the brokers range between probably 70 to 85% return. Whereas Forex, the return is up to you and where you place your profit targets. So, that could be anything. Most people aim for a 1 to 2 scenario, which is, if for example, if they risk 10 pips, they aim for 20 pips as a profit target. So if you do lose 10 pips, you're hoping that the next, it'll win 20 pips next time, and that'll be a good result in your favour. As long as you don't lose too many, I suppose, in a row. So look, with Forex, you can be in a trade for as short amount of time or as long amount of time as you want. There's no set time frames, whereas with binary options there's expiries, and the expiries can be 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, an hour, end of day, couple of days. So this can be set time frames, or sorry, expiries. A lot of people trade 15 minutes and an hour and 30 minutes and so forth. So it just depends on what your trade style is, and whether that those expiries work for you. As I said before, Forex is probably the risk reward scenario is pretty big, and you probably just need to take that into account, because there is a huge risk in it, because you might have a stop loss in place, but if there's a news release, and that news release causes the price to go past your stop loss, that could mean that they could there could be a call on your capital as well, because it's gone into negative in a big way. So because Forex is leverage, which I'll get onto that later on, that could eat into your capital and your balance. Whereas binary options, you invest $50 and you lose $50. That's all. Your reward is, say, 70%. So you win 70% of $50 on top of the $50 you get back. So there's a fixed reward with binary options. As I said before, there's a leverage with Forex. So you might be you might have $1,000 in your bank account, but because the leverage is, for example, 1 to 200, that's like trading $200,000 worth of Forex or foreign exchange on a currency pair. So if it moves, if the market moves with you, there's a good leverage. With leverage, you can make a lot of money out of it. But if it moves against you, there's also a huge risk that you could lose a lot of money. With binary options, there's no leverage. Obviously, as I said before, whatever you invest, you get back if you win, plus the 70% or the 80% or whatever the broker pays you back. with with Forex, it can be, as I said to you, a huge amount of volatility, which can cause you know your some sharp swings and ups and downs, and that can be quite scary. With binary options, it's basically, it's, even if there was a surprise volatility, it's not going to take out all your account. It's just going to take out whatever whatever you invested. Um, and that's probably all the sort of the main points of differences between the two. There's a lot of people with Forex, make an error of not placing stop losses. And also, there's with Forex, you should be staying out of the market when there's a news release, because that could cause harm to your bank account. So that's it. That's all my points that I make. A lot of those come from I've heard horror stories of people, especially someone I know I've been following online. His name's Julian Wong. He's from the binary lab. He lost a lot of money from Forex, just because the market gapped, which meant it just moved too quickly and moved way past his stop loss, and took out $70,000 in his account. So you've got to be wary of those sort of things. So so I hope you enjoyed that video, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our to the Forex and Binary Virgin YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you're interested, please sign up for our Forex and Binary Virgin newsletter, where I post or send a lot of my tips and tricks and all the things that I'm learning on my journey of Forex and binary trading. Thank you.